Alright, in 2021 we have a new key fob here, and we are taking a look how we change the battery quickly. It's pretty easy. So I have here those 2032 batteries, and I use those lens cleaning wipes to clean the key if I have to. Let's open it first. So the little silver button you push in, and then pull the key out and reinsert the key the other way. And there we push in. While you push in, you can lift up the lid, the plastic lid, lift up and just open it up. Now you're going to see inside a little bit dust. And the easiest I find, if it's dry, to just use a paintbrush to brush it out and make it clean again, make room for new dust. Same over here. If it's too sticky or too dirty, you can use those alcohol lens wipes to clean that plastic here. This is what I use. Same for my glasses. Okay, in there is the lid for the battery. You just go under this side, lift it up a little bit, and then take it out of the hinge. There we have the battery. The plus, power plus, is looking at you. You take that one out and just get a new one. If you get a new battery, check out your expiration date. Usually they have that printed on the packaging there. So I put the new one in here. Put the hinge to the right holes on this side and then just click it close. Here like this. And then we put the lid back on. I want to show quick why we push the key in from the other side. There is this little hook here that we can push back with the key. The hook goes into this hole over here, that hole. And you can see when you push the key on that side in there, it's going to release that little tab. We put it back together the same way, the back up front, and then we put the key back in. Fits only on one side all the way in. And there we are done already. That is very easy. Super clean key.